Hi, I'm Hayden Geist with Aquaspy, and today I'm going to talk about the simplicities of the new comm towers. So as you can see here, the bird spikes don't require any zip ties or anything. They just snap on just like that. And then we'll move over here to the new pole assembly. It makes it a lot easier because it eliminates the use of hose clamps and zip ties. So it just screws in like so. And then it telescopes just like the older ones do, with just these clips here. And then you'll just attach this to a T-post just like you did with the old style. And then on the back here, the design has changed up a little bit. Right here is where you attach your probe, and instead of using a key to turn it on, you just press a button. So I'll plug in the probe here. And then to activate it, you just hold the button in and a blue light should come on. And now it is on and it is ready to run through its settings.
Firmware version 0.